This is Chapter 7, Assignment 7-16 Key. This is about the cruise review. We start out with Diamond Cruise Line was delighted you select our cruise line for your last vacation to Africa. The weather cooperated and everyone agreed that the sights from our ship were fantastic. Here we have the wrong sights used, so you put a line through it and write the correct one above it. And then it has to be sights were fantastic, not was, because sights is plural and were is plural. The next sentence. One of our goals is to provide each person with an experience you will want to experience over and over again. The subject of this sentence is one. And one is singular and is a singular. Some of you might think goals is a subject. The object of a preposition, which is of, cannot be the subject of the sentence. So you have to look, what are we talking about? We're talking about one, not goals. Okay. Then we have every cruise is different. Each trip provides you with an experience of a lifetime. Here we have every and each. Those are both singular, so we need a verb that is singular. Verbs plus S are singular. Okay. One way you can help, however, is by completing the enclosed questionnaire by July 15th. Okay, questionnaire is spelled wrong. You just need one extra N. So you put a caret, then you put the N. Your comments are important to us. It can't be your comments is important to us because comments is plural and you need the plural verb are. Now we go down to please give us your honest evaluation about every aspect of your last cruise with us. Here we have to delete the period and lowercase the a, because if you leave about every aspect of your last cruise with us by itself, it is a fragment, not a sentence, because it does not have a subject. The next mistake we see is those who return a completed questionnaire with 2 weeks will be invited to a complimentary reception on their next cruise with us. Okay, we have 2, which is below 10, so it needs to be spelled out. Complimentary with the E is the kind of complimentary we need to use in this sentence. Then we have, imagine being our guest of honor on your next cruise just for taking time to complete this questionnaire. We assure you that we will do our best to make your next cruise with Diamond Cruise Line a trip you will never forget. We have to use the ASSURE because it says we assure you that we will do our best. And this kind of sure means to give confidence to, or to feel sure, or to convince. And the other kind of ensure means to make sure or certain. So you need to do the ASSURE. That's it.